Hey Skill Squad, let's be real. Most of us grow up surrounded by people who look like us, talk like us, and eat the same foods we do. But the world is way bigger than just our block or our school. So let's talk about how to step outside your comfort zone and make friends with people from different backgrounds, without it being awkward. If you grew up in a mostly black neighborhood, your world might feel familiar. Same slang, same culture, same vibe. But wanting to connect with other races doesn't mean you're abandoning your roots. It means you're growing. Start with curiosity, not fear. You don't have to know everything about someone's culture to be respectful. You just have to care enough to learn. Ask questions like, what's your favorite meal from your culture? Or what music did you grow up listening to? People love sharing parts of who they are when it's genuine interest. Just remember, you're learning from them, not about them. No stereotypes, no assumptions, just curiosity. Now let's talk about language. Different groups have different slang, jokes, and cultural references. It's okay to be curious about it, but don't try to copy it right away. Instead, listen first. Watch how they use certain phrases and what the tone feels like. Some words might be cool within a group, but offensive coming from someone outside it. Respect that line. You can love a culture's style, music, or energy without trying to imitate it. Appreciation doesn't mean imitation. It means respect. Here's the real secret. Friendship isn't about race at all. It's about connection. Maybe you both play basketball, love anime, or have the same math teacher. That's your starting point. Join clubs, sports teams, or volunteer projects where different people come together. That's where natural friendships happen. You don't have to make a big deal about their race. Just be yourself and let real connection grow. Now, what if you say the wrong thing or someone corrects you? It happens. Don't panic. Just say, I'm still learning. Thank you for telling me. That one sentence shows maturity and respect. The worst thing you can do is get defensive or joke about it. Growth takes humility. Everyone messes up sometimes. What matters is how you handle it. When you make friends from other races, your world gets bigger. You'll learn new foods, languages, music, and ways of seeing life. You start realizing how connected we all are and how much richer life becomes when you step outside your comfort zone. Diversity isn't about pretending we're all the same. It's about celebrating what makes each of us unique while finding the common threads that bring us together. So Skill Squad, your challenge this week, step out of your circle. Sit with someone new at lunch, ask questions, or try a food you've never had before. You might discover that friendship looks beautiful in every color. If this video helped you see things differently, drop a globe emoji in the comments to show you're ready to connect beyond your comfort zone. And don't forget, like, share, and subscribe for more real-life tips with me, Miss Susie.